This is Dr. Satya Saraswat from International Institute of Cosmetic Surgery and Aesthetic Medicine, the highest rated hair transplant and cosmetic courses in India. And today one of our doctors is going to give a testimonial about the procedure.
Hi, I'm Dr. Preyaa. I'm from Malaysia. I'm a general practitioner there in Malaysia. I'm doing diploma in aesthetics. I got to know regarding this hair transplantation one-to-one course through Google. Actually, I Googled for famous hair transplantation in India, and I found out Saraswat Hospital provide the best, and they really prove it is one of the best hair transplantation course, because here I got to practice on real patient one-to-one. Dr. Saraswat, Dr. Satya Saraswat and Dr. Preyaa Saraswat both are really knowledgeable and very helpful. Every single thing they taught us in detail, theory-wise, practical-wise, and all the team was very supportive. And I really have no comments at all, no bad comment, nothing at all regarding the course. The course really very helpful. Once I go back to my country, I have full confidence to start my own practice, and of course there are future courses like for cosmetics and all the future courses. I will come back from Malaysia and complete my courses here. And I really encourage all people, doctors out there, to get your knowledge from knowledgeable doctors like Dr. Satya, Dr. Preeti here, and it'll be really useful for you, all of you, for future, of course. And of course, they will guide you throughout. Even after you go back to your country, they have given the numbers, everything, any problem, we can always get back to them. Very hardly we find doctors that is so supportive like this. All the best.
Thank you. So friends, I hope you like this testimonial from our friend, and I would request you humbly to subscribe to this channel to know more about the courses which are offered by our International Institute of Cosmetic Surgery and Aesthetic Medicine. I would even like you to share these videos so that the information about these courses reaches to more and more people. And if you have any comments and query, you can always put it down in the comment section of this video, and we will surely be responding to that. Thank you.